So it officially looks like this might be the last few months where you can purchase an Android-based Fire TV stick. And no, this isn't just rumor. In fact, Amazon said not too long ago that Vega is going to be on all Fire TV sticks. And now it just looks like we have confirmed proof that this is happening. So if you didn't know, Amazon runs an event every September where they talk about their new releases, which later come out on sale, usually to mid-late October. There are certain sale patterns that you can follow, which will later tell you which product is getting an updated version. And we have some unfortunate news because it looks like it might be the remaining Android-based Fire TV devices. Not just that though, because I'm currently on my Fire TV Cube, upgrading it to the brand new home screen OS, the remake. I know you guys have seen it, I've talked about it a little bit. So I'm also gonna talk about how that might affect Fire TV Cube users. So this will be a good one, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it.
So first, let's go over which Fire TV sticks are Vega and which ones still have Android if you're looking to purchase one, and how we probably know that the other Android versions are turning to Vega coming up very soon. So the two versions that currently run Vega are the brand new Firestick HD and the 4K Select. Now the Select is easy to point out. It's called the Select, that runs Vega. But the HD is a little different because you have the Firestick HD, then you also have for sale still the Firestick HD Android version. Now the way you can tell the difference, if some of you don't know, this one is squared off. It's the regular old design. That one still runs Android, or you can look at the reviews. You can see it has 71,000 reviews. You go to the new Firestick HD, it has 3,000 reviews, and it has that new slim design that also works in lower powered TV USB ports. It's like 0.1 volts instead of the 0.5. So that's the major difference there. Now there are other devices that still run Android. We have the Firestick 4K Plus, that still runs Android-based system. This is what the Select was basically trying to replace in a way. And the other last one is the Firestick Max that has that extra storage. Well, that one still runs Android. But here's the interesting part. Well, the Firestick Select is on sale. The Firestick HD is on sale. On sale means they're trying to remove inventory, means that maybe they're getting an update, but it doesn't really work that way with Amazon. In fact, Fire Sticks are constantly on sale. I don't know if you've ever looked, but there's almost always one on sale until Black Friday or Prime Days, and then they're all on sale. Well, sometimes what Amazon does is not put ones on sale for a while. And if we go to price history right here, give it a second to load, what I want to show you is the 3-month pattern which we're on. You can see for the last pretty much 2 months, even around Prime Day, it went down a little bit for Prime Day. It has been a steady price, regular $60. Okay, well, let's head to our other 4K device that still hasn't gotten a replacement. Click price history. And what we're going to see with the Plus model is this one is on sale. So this is the one that has basically that 4K replacement already. Okay, well, this one has had more sales. Now let's head to our Vega versions right here. These ones are running Vega. But look at this sales history here. Sale, 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 sale. Firestick HD, 3 months. Sale, sale, sale. You see the difference there between the versions? Even if we go to the current Android-based Firestick HD, go 3 months. Sale, sale, sale. Now, the reason for this HD version being so cheap is pretty simple. Well, this one, they want to get rid of inventory because they already have that Vega OS. And that goes kind of the same for the Firestick 4K Plus. It already has a version that pretty much has Vega OS. They have the 4K Select, which are basically the same device, just with Vega versus Android. And so that kind of, in a way, even though there's other versions, leaves our Firestick Max as one of the last remaining standing bastions of the Android Firestick community. And as you can see, there have not been sales pretty much outside of Prime Day. And what I'm saying by all this basically is that no sales means they're trying to hold on to their stock because they probably have a new version that's coming out. So once that new stock is released, once that new device is released, well, now they'll be able to offload the rest of their 4K Max. But it does beg the question, are they even going to keep a 4K Max version? Because here's the thing, the 4K Max is great. You get extra storage with it. We all know that. What do you need the extra storage for though, really? When you're running Vega, it's built to be lightweight. In fact, it's built a lot like Roku, where you don't even need more RAM with the device. Since you can only really install official apps, having extra storage is not nearly as useful unless you're doing some emulation, in which case you might put some ROMs or whatever on your device. And that's where I'm a little confused, is I don't even know if this device, the 4K Max, which might be, we're not saying for sure, might be the only last remaining Firestick Android version. Well, I don't even know if they're gonna renew it at all. Now, for those of you that have a Fire TV Cube, this was one of the last devices to get the brand new home screen, and I can confirm right here, it is in fact running the brand new Fire TV OS. Now, it's pretty hard to ignore this update unless you did like an update blocker a long time ago, which I don't even know if it would work anymore. But the update version should be about 7.7.1.5. If you have that one, then you will most likely have this brand new operating system. I'm going to be doing a more in-depth video talking about it. It's not my favorite, but honestly, it's not the worst decision Amazon's made. It's a little more ad heavy. The side scrolling is, I think, a little annoying, and the top scrolling menu I don't like, but you know, it's always good to have a little switch up. They also have a brand new creators section, which is basically showing you other kind of individual creators off YouTube, and I think some of them are on Prime Video and stuff like that too. Listen, your boy is not going to be on here. I'm sorry. I know you guys all wanted to watch me talk about Fire Sticks on a Fire Stick, but it's probably not going to happen. Hate to break it to you. So let me know down in the comments what you think. Are all Fire Stick Android versions going to be gone coming this October, or will we still have a few last ones left? As well, if you've gotten that update on your Fire TV Cube, let me know. I'm trying to figure out if pretty much every country has it on release now, which I'm sure they all do. So other than that, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys later. Bye.